In this video, we delve into the exciting updates surrounding the Camp Nou renovation, a project that holds immense significance for FC Barcelona and its passionate fan base. As one of the most iconic football stadiums in the world, Camp Nou is undergoing a transformative renovation aimed at enhancing the overall experience for fans and players alike. The progress made so far is impressive, with modern facilities and improved infrastructure set to elevate the stadium to new heights. This renovation is not just about aesthetics, it represents a commitment to the future of FC Barcelona, ensuring that the club remains competitive on and off the pitch. For fans, this upgrade means a more comfortable and engaging match-day experience, with state-of-the-art amenities that reflect the club's rich history and tradition. Join us as we explore the latest developments in this ambitious project, highlighting its importance for the club's legacy and the unwavering support of its loyal fans. Stay tuned for an engaging and informative journey through the heart of FC Barcelona's future. As of February 2025, the Camp Nou renovation is making significant strides, with a completion timeline set for late 2026. Once finished, the stadium will boast an impressive capacity of 63,000 fans, enhancing the matchday atmosphere for supporters. However, due to unforeseen delays, temporary solutions have been implemented to accommodate fans during this transitional period. These measures include the use of mobile seating and alternative viewing areas to ensure that the spirit of the game remains alive while construction continues. Ongoing work on the pitch is also a priority, with efforts focused on improving the playing surface to meet the highest standards for both players and fans. Additionally, plans for new entrance points are in the works, designed to streamline access and enhance the overall experience for attendees. This renovation is not just about expanding capacity, it's about creating a modern, welcoming environment that honors the club's rich heritage while looking forward to a bright future. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor the progress of this monumental project. The renovation of Camp Nou has encountered several delays and challenges that have impacted the overall timeline of the project. One significant setback has been the postponement of roof construction, which has implications for both the stadium's aesthetics and its functionality. The delay in completing the roof means that fans may experience weather-related issues during matches, which could affect attendance and overall enjoyment. Additionally, the renovation process has highlighted the necessity of obtaining various construction permits and approvals, a task that has proven to be more complex than initially anticipated. These bureaucratic hurdles have contributed to the timeline extensions, causing frustration among stakeholders. Furthermore, concerns have been raised by club members regarding visibility from certain seating areas once the renovations are complete. Ensuring that every fan has an unobstructed view of the pitch is crucial for maintaining the vibrant atmosphere that Camp Nou is known for. Addressing these challenges is essential for the successful completion of the renovation and the satisfaction of FC Barcelona's dedicated supporters. The financial aspects of the Camp Nou renovation are critical to understanding its overall impact on FC Barcelona. One of the key revenue streams anticipated from this project is the ticket sales from the newly designed VIP areas. These premium sections are expected to attract high-paying fans, significantly boosting the club's income and providing funds for further investments. However, ongoing delays in the renovation process pose substantial financial challenges. Each postponement not only affects the timeline for opening these lucrative areas but also risks diminishing the enthusiasm of potential ticket buyers. This uncertainty can lead to decreased revenue in the short term, impacting the club's financial stability. Moreover, the economic implications for FC Barcelona extend beyond immediate ticket sales. The renovation is intended to enhance the overall matchday experience, which could lead to increased merchandise sales and overall fan engagement. Ultimately, navigating these financial hurdles is essential for the club to secure its future and maintain its status as a leading football institution. The successful completion of the renovation will be vital for maximizing revenue and ensuring long-term sustainability. Looking ahead, the future plans for Camp Nou are ambitious and exciting, with a clear timeline for the roof installation and subsequent phases of the renovation. The club aims to complete the roof installation by mid-2026, which is a crucial step in the overall project. FC Barcelona is hopeful for a return to the iconic stadium by September 2026, allowing fans to once again experience the thrill of live matches in their beloved venue. This timeline is not just about returning to normalcy, it represents a significant milestone in the club's journey toward modernization. Post-renovation, there is also great potential for Camp Nou to host international events, including major tournaments and concerts, further solidifying its status as a premier venue in global sports and entertainment. The club envisions that these enhancements will not only elevate the matchday experience for fans but also attract a wider audience, generating additional revenue and fostering a vibrant community around FC Barcelona. The future of Camp Nou is bright, and the anticipation is palpable as the renovation progresses. When comparing the renovations of Camp Nou and Santiago Bernabéu, notable differences emerge, particularly in terms of capacity. Post-renovation, Camp Nou is set to accommodate approximately 63,000 fans, while Santiago Bernabéu will have a reduced capacity of around 60,000. This larger capacity at Camp Nou provides FC Barcelona with a significant advantage, allowing the club to welcome more supporters on match days and enhance the overall atmosphere. The increased attendance can lead to higher ticket sales and greater merchandise revenue, contributing to the club's financial health. However, ongoing debates surround the ability of both stadiums to host major events, such as international tournaments and concerts. While Santiago Bernabéu has already positioned itself as a venue for high-profile events, Camp Nou's renovation aims to achieve similar recognition. The discussions often focus on which stadium can better accommodate large crowds and provide superior facilities for both fans and performers. Ultimately, both renovations reflect the club's ambitions to remain competitive and relevant in the ever-evolving landscape of global sports and entertainment. In this video, we highlighted the critical importance of the Camp Nou renovation for FC Barcelona, emphasizing how this transformative project is set to enhance the matchday experience for fans while securing the club's future. The renovation not only aims to modernize the stadium but also to increase its capacity to 63,000, allowing more supporters to enjoy live matches. We discussed the challenges faced during the renovation, including delays and financial implications, as well as the exciting future plans that include hosting international events. As we wrap up, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow fans to keep the conversation going. Your support helps us bring you more engaging content about FC Barcelona and its journey. Don't forget to explore our related videos for deeper insights into the club's history, player profiles, and updates on ongoing projects. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more exciting developments with you soon.